Interest, a very common thing when we look at career decision making, because everyone says कि आपका जो interest है वो आपको करना चाहिए. 6 parameters of interest come in the RISEC model. Number 1, realistic. Realistic people are those who like to work outdoors or like to work physically and they are hands-on in their work. Number 2, investigative. Those who like to research or analyze things are come in the domain of investigative people, like scientists. Number 3 is artistic people who like to express their creativity or work on art forms or think out of the box, like designers, artists, etc. Number 4 is social people who like to work with people, who like to help other people, like nurse, doctor, teachers. Number 5 is enterprising people who like to work as leaders or managers, like politicians. Number 6 is conventional, those who follow a set pattern. They like to follow the norms as it is, like an accountant or it may be like a data analyst.